Hello guys, today I am going to be giving you a tutorial on how to do some basic building in roblox Studio. First thing you're going to need to do is go into model, and then you're going to have to change your move to 0.5 studs. It's going to be a bit more complicated than last video. Now, okay, we're going to start off by making a basic room. This room will be different. It will have a wooden floor made out of like birch. And now you're gonna make the walls, and you can make it any color you want. I'm just gonna make it basic gray. And then you can scale the walls, you make the walls as big as you want. And if you need an accurate scale, toolbox, or you could get the plugin I showed you in last video and just spawn by noob. Okay, that won't work, so just tart. Now we have some scale, so we know how big a player would be. So now you can make the walls. And I'm just gonna make my walls brown, and this will be different from any regular room. Oh hey, and do you want to join me, and I'll also give a tutorial on how to. Yes. Okay, if you heard that, it's because my mom was calling me because she needed me to tell her something. Now I'm done doing that, so I can continue the building tutorial. So you can just duplicate the wall, resize it, and make a roof. You're wondering, this is just a different looking room. Well, you're wrong. So we're gonna have a window.
It makes you smash it. Your controller.
Okay, Aiden, we know from last tutorial you like to mash the controller. Can you, Aiden, stop.
Sorry.
Okay, Aiden, can. Okay, now that I'm back, you should have probably known. Just look at it, and it should be quite easy to make. Like, when I first used Roblox Studio, it was confusing, but then I figured out how to do stuff. So it should be pretty easy to figure out. So if you didn't see last tutorial, make it the material glass. If I can actually there. Now it's not transparent. 0.5. And there you go. Some beautiful, nice glass. Well, if you're like making a thumbnail for your place, which I'll tell you how to do it later, you just put that there. Just cover that up, and now neon. And there we go. And if you want it to be more realistic, you will go into model, effects, and surface light. And now there's light and surface light. Now yeah, it's being kind of weird. For some reason it won't go through the glass, but no, we just have a regular old window. And if you want it to be like you're looking outside into a beautiful landscape, make this black. scale it out, put some grass, make it like that color. That's a very accurate grass color. Now you do this, and there you go. You got that, and now make it white. You got a beautiful fence. Or you can just make the fence any color you want, or just made a white fence. Now scale it like this, and bam, you got some stuff. Also, in case if you spawn it and not anchored, which means that it's physics based, if you don't want that, just click on workspace and press anchor, and then everything is frozen.
The Ghostbusters or something.
And now group it, and now name it. Now, if you want it to be a bigger house, just ungroup it, ungroup it, ungroup it. Okay, there we go. Now there's ungroup. Now you can make it big. And I'm just gonna make that the only window, because it's just gonna be this. For the rest of the house, just make now. Do this. Now get a part. Now resize it and make it as small as possible. Put it over there, and now make it concrete. Okay, now it's like that. Now you can add a gate if you want to add a gate, but I'm just gonna add a gate because I like to add gates. That's the first time I actually said I like to add gates. Now, so what's like the gate isn't just connected to some random things, or you could just get rid of that. Now watch this. And now you make it metal, and then you get a wedge, and also make the wedge metal. This is one of the more advanced building blocks, but it's quite easy. Now turn it around, and do that. And now duplicate. Oh, okay, press the undo button. Duplicate. Now that's duplicated, resize it so it goes into the spot, and bam, you got the gate. Bring the gate over here. Now duplicate the gate and do that. Now you got a gate. And now what you're gonna do is I kept pausing it so I could tell my little brother to turn down the volume. Now maybe you make those bigger. Just maybe put them in the ground a little. Now you've got some gate things. Now you're going to want to make a bed. Beds are quite easy to make. Just want. I'll just get this basic bed. There we go, bed. And now we need a car, which means I'm gonna get this Tesla. Why not? And this Tesla is gonna be the driver's seat. Is gonna be in there. Now you got a Tesla, or you could duplicate the Tesla, and now you got two Teslas. Two Tesla. Okay, why can't I do this? And there you go, you got a house. There you got a house. That's basically all you need to know. Make sure to follow my instructions. You can only use this to build a house. You can do other things. And now I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.